This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Facebook Messenger not working on iPhone after last iOS update. Follow these easy and step-by-step solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is update your Facebook Messenger app. So go to your App Store and search for Messenger, and here if you see any update available, then update the Messenger app and then check the issue. The second solution is check your internet working or not. You can open your YouTube app and now try to play a video. If your YouTube not working properly, then open Control Center and enable airplane mode for 30 seconds and then turn it back off. Now you can switch your internet between Wi-Fi to cellular or cellular to Wi-Fi and must use a high internet speed, and then try to reopen Messenger and check the issue. The third solution is offload the Messenger app. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on General, tap on iPhone storage, and here search for Messenger and tap on it. Tap on offload app, tap on offload app. Once done, you have to reinstall the Messenger app from here and then check the issue. The next solution is uninstall your Messenger app and you have to reinstall it from App Store. Once done, hope this solution will fix Messenger not working issue. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.